Hello, my name is Margaret DeWardy, and I write visionary fiction. To help you understand what I mean by visionary fiction and why I write it, I need to introduce you to two disciplines that attempt to make sense of our world from different points of view. One is quantum physics, and the other is metaphysics. Quantum physics is part of physics that studies the very smallest things in our universe, such as molecules, electrons, protons, and neutrons. Things down there in the quantum realm that don't work the same as things up here in the world we see. Metaphysics is a branch of philosophy that studies the nature of existence, dealing with such basic questions as, who am I and why am I here? In its simplest terms, quantum physics examines our surrounding world via hard science, whereas metaphysics approaches it via philosophy. Now, when we try to relate the two through quantum mysticism, we run into a bit of trouble. Most scientists consider quantum mysticism as pseudoscience or quackery. And that's where visionary fiction comes in. Within a visionary story, it's okay to make use of pseudoscience if it helps our readers make sense of their world, giving them the rare opportunity to look at the world from psychological and physical perspectives that they've never experienced before. Looking at the world in different light via mind-blowing story is one of the most vital things we can do in our pursuit of growth. When we look at the world through visionary fiction, where we transcend the boundaries of the five senses and open to new thoughts and ideas, we try on elements of different paradigms. And when we find something we like, we can adopt it as our own, and so doing, our own paradigm grows. Some of the world's greatest thinkers were mocked and sometimes killed before their ideas proved to be true. Not that all that long ago, we called space travel and many of today's advanced forms of technology science fiction. According to visionary fiction pioneer Hal Bennett, visionary fiction often deals with that stuff that happens at the edge between inner and outer, glimpsing those moments when the thin veil dissolves or is at least briefly drawn away. Stories written in this genre draw our attention to how our visions inform us and impact our lives. The vision part of visionary fiction is the vehicle that carries us to the filmy veil, separating our ability to know from what we can't know. Let me leave you with the opening narrative of Season 4 of The Twilight Zone, written way back in 1963, which does a great job in describing visionary fiction. You unlock this door with the key of imagination. Beyond it is another dimension, a dimension of sound, a dimension of sight, a dimension of mind. You're moving into a land of both shadow and substance, of things and ideas. You just crossed into the Twilight Zone. If you'd like to learn more about visionary fiction, visit my website at margaretdewardy.com. Or if you'd like to give visionary fiction a try, my Into the Between visionary fiction series is available at Amazon and wherever books are sold. Thank you so much for listening.